Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you another tip on using an offline reference. So I showed this in a previous video, but I can show you again. If you are on your media page and you navigate to wherever your reference lives, you can right click and choose add as offline reference clip, and that'll add it to your media pool. And then if we go to this part of our bin, you can see we have this little checker icon next to these two. These are both flagged as reference. If you go to your timeline, you can right click timelines, and then you have link offline reference clip, and you can see by default it's no offline reference clip, or we have the two files that were designated. So this one marked ref is black and white with timecode burn in. So now if we go to our dual pane viewer, we can see we have this little checker box indicating offline, and now that has a burn in, a black and white, and our source timecode and frame. So this is good for syncing up a long play, seeing if it's in sync with your real media. And then here's the preference that I wanted to show you. Typically, when you do get a reference, it'll have some kind of burn in or it'll be low quality. And that's your match to, as far as cuts go, the edit. Underneath the DaVinci Resolve menu, under Preferences, under your Editing tab, under the User, you have this Show Offline Reference for Timeline Gaps. This is normally off by default. I have it selected. We hit save. If you're working with a reference, you can obviously see it here back to back. But let's say you're back to a single viewer. This is going to tell Resolve anytime there's not a clip that should be there that isn't, show me the reference. So here we can see it's regular color. And if we navigate to where this clip's disabled, it'll show you the black and white burn-in version saying, I don't have a shot for this section. Here's what the shot name is. Typically would have the camera number and shot number if you're working in that kind of workflow. And then when you get back to a spot that has the media it's looking for, it'll go back to the normal view. Now this reference clip isn't this V1 video track, which I have disabled right now, but if I enable it, you can see it is showing me what's underneath because this has a black and white LUT on it. But if that's disabled, this is now referring to that reference clip that I designated as the offline reference. And you can see it also matches up to our offline here. It's a good way as you're working to see, oh, I'm missing this shot. It jumps out at you because it's black and white and has time code versus your quote unquote finished material will be regular color. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.